This impact French is good. Your battery doesn't work. A new battery costs a lot of money. Today, I will build a new battery. It is really strong. Let's do it. And by the way, where you from? Let me know in the comments. We need 10 18650 lithium cells. We connect them in 5s2p. First, apply safety pads to the positive terminals. This makes it safe for heavy loads. This tray balances the cells. It makes the battery 100% powerful. These are all the parts we need: the case, the frame, and the circuit board. Before assembly, we check the internal resistance of each cell. They must match perfectly. This gives us the best battery pack. Now I put the BMS ball on the tray to check the wire positions. I use these cells for my build. What do you guys think? Do you have a better battery setup? Let me know in the comments below. Now I start spot welding. I use pure nickel strips. This material carries high power easily. It keeps the battery cool and strong. Look at these wells. They're clean and solid. Now the battery is ready for the BMS. Now I put either foam on the battery ends. This protects the wells and stop moisture. Beside that, this foam absorbs shock. It makes the battery safe when the machine vibrates. If you like this project, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Thank you for watching and see you.